Data shows Cardano has reclaimed the #1 spot in the cryptocurrency sector in terms of development activity. In a new post on X, the on-chain analytics firm Santiment has shared an update on the list of top cryptocurrencies based on the development activity. The development activity here refers to the total amount of work that the developers of a given project have put in over the past 30 days. The metric makes this measurement through the data of the public GitHub repository of a project. In these repositories, any kind of change a developer makes is counted as a commit. Santiment's development activity, however, doesn't use the number of these commits for measuring the work done, as it can provide a skewed representation of the actual work. This is due to the fact that many projects are forks of other projects, meaning that up until the point of forking, they have a copy of the previous project's work. The commits from the previous project naturally carry over as well. But these commits wouldn't be relevant to the work done by the new team. And does to provide a more accurate picture of the team's work, the development activity indicator makes its measurement in terms of the events, anything done on the project, like the pushing of a commit or the creation of an issue, generates an event. And so forking a project also doesn't lead to an inheritance of its events, and the act of forking as a whole generates just a single event. Thus, the problem involved in the world nation, that a blaze being now, here's a table that shows the data for the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the sector based on their respective development activities. As displayed above, Cardano has improved its ranking on the list during the past month, claiming the #1 spot. In total, the project has seen its developers generate 540 events in this period. Earlier, Polkadot and Kusama were ahead of ADA on the list, sharing the joint first place with about 358 events each. These assets have fallen behind ADA now. And Avalanche and Internet Computer have also improved their rankings in this window to 4th and 5th, respectively, suggesting that their developers have been putting relatively more effort into that project. The development activity can be one of the things to watch for when deciding whether a project has any potential in the long term or not. Exit scams may have low development activities, while legitimate projects usually have committed developers. As Cardano has seen its developers put more effort into the project recently, it may be a bright sign for the future of the cryptocurrency, at least in terms of the blockchain continuing to improve its features. And Cardano has recently lost its bullish steam as the cryptocurrency's price has been stuck in sideways movement during the last couple of weeks. At present, the coin's price is silently floating around 0.614.